Hey there everyone, it's me, Fura Sherpa. Please like, comment, share, of course subscribe, and now you can hit the join button to join our membership. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon to never miss upcoming updates. First, I would like to thank all my sponsors for sponsoring this video. Our first sponsor is Roka Wonder Idea TV. There are tons of great blogs out there. Yet, when I want to feed my appetite for both travel and food inspirational, I turn only to a few. You can count them on the fingers of both hands literally. And this is the one of the fewest. And the second sponsor is Jor Garcia 1955. This channel is about music, where a 65 years old man named Jor loved to play drum. He started playing drum at the age of 10. So if you want to know more about them, please check my description box below. I have provided the link down there. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will be learning how to make a slip knot, hold your crochet hook, create a chain, crochet a single crochet, and how to weave end of your work. You are going to need yarn. You can use any basic yarn you have around your house. Or if you go to the store, you can get any basic plant yarn. I'll recommend getting 100% acrylic. And then for the crochet hook, I would recommend getting aluminum crochet hooks. So today, I'm going to be using 5.5mm crochet hook. Number 1. How to make a slip knot. To start, you are going to make a slip knot. To do this, you hold your on like so with your index finger pointing downwards. Then you twist it upward and put your thumb through that same loop. Then you grab the tail with your index finger and thumb and pull through, creating a loop. Then you put your crochet hook in and pull the yarn to tighten it up. Number 2. How to hold a crochet hook. Now the next step is how you hold a crochet hook and your yarn. So you hold a crochet hook with your thumb and fingers, usually on this index, and you hold it like you are cutting with a knife. And then with your left hand, you hold the yarn. So you can hold that in many different ways, but this is how I do it. So I hold it with the yarn through my fingers like I'm pointing at something. Then I wrap the yarn around my pointed finger and grab my work with the middle finger and thumb. So I could put them together like so. Number 3. How to make the chain. So next is learning how to make a chain. So you are going to hold the crochet hook. Twist the hook away from you and put it on the left side of the string. Then you are going to turn it to face towards you and a little bit more towards your left hand. Then you are going to pull downwards and you pull through the loop in your hook just like that. So that is one chain. So again, we have our hook facing away from us. We put it on the left side when it faces towards, and then pull towards your thumb and pull through. And just continue like that. So away from you, on the left side, turn to face towards you, and then towards your left hand so that it will easily go through that loop. So when you face it away from yourself and turn it towards you, that's called yarning over. And then so you yarn over and pull through. Face it away from you on the left side, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. So we're gonna make the chain of 11. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So each chain that is V, and it has a top loop and a back loop. So these are the top and these are the back loop. Number 4. How to do a single crochet. Now we are going to learn how to do a single crochet. So we are going to insert our hook into the second chain, the second V from our hook. So we insert, then we yarn over by going behind the string, come out of the stitch, yarn over by facing away, turning towards us, and then over the left hand and pull through both loops. We are going to skip the first chain as a turning stitch and we are going to continue. So we insert into the next chain by going into the top V and we yarn over, going behind the string, come out, and we have 2 loops on the hook. Then we yarn over, it's facing away from us on the left side, turn towards us and pull through the both loops. We are just going to continue inserting, yarn over, come out, yarn over and pull through both loops. That's one single crochet all the way across. And once we have got to the end, we should have 10 stitches, a 10 single crochet and 10 V. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we are going to do another row, and to do that we chain. So you face it away from us, yarn over, pull through, then we flip it around. So we turn our work and then we are going to walk into each of the V. So you are going to insert underneath both. So it looks like you have 3 loops on it, but it's just a stitch of our single crochet. So we cast behind it, yarn over, come out, yarn over and pull through both loops. So now you can do as many rows as you would like. I am going to do total of 12 rows of single crochet to make a square crotch. So if you are continuing, you are going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch or V for a total of 10 single crochet each row. Then you get to the end of the row, you are going to do 1 chain, flip it over your work and continue going cross. I'm now done with my little swatch. What I forget to mention before was that if you ever mess up on your any stitches and you want to redo them, you just take out your crochet hook and pull the string however far back you want to go and redo those stitches. Insert your hook and do them again. Number 5. How to weave in the ends. So now we are done with our swatch. We are going to chain 1. So we yarn over and pull through. And you are just going to pull the crochet hook and get your scissors. Cut it and pull tight. Then if you want, you can weave in the end with a sewing needle with a wide opening. You just put on, weave it, and you can cut the extra with the scissor and do that to the other side. So there is our little swatch where we chain 11 and then we insert our hook into the second chain. Because the other one was the turning stitch, then we did a single crochet all across. Now that you have learned the basic of crochet, the chain and the single crochet, there are millions of different projects that you can do it just with these few stitches. Just like this. while you are still looking at how to crochet, it is important not to give up. Keep practicing and take it slow. At first, it might be difficult, but you just need to take your time when you have to do stitches and keep practicing. So your hands ease the moment. It will be easier and you will get better and better. Thank you so much for watching this video, how to crochet for absolute beginners. And if you have any confusion, please comment down below. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to never miss upcoming update. Now you can hit the join button to join our membership. And if you want to buy our merchandise, the link is given down in the description box below. Of course, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, take care.